So good morning. I got this great tip that I want to share with you today. It's pretty cool. One of the things when you're creating a podcast is that you're trying to crank out some content, make it super easy to edit, make it easy to find out what you were talking about so that you can take that content and share it with other people. And I'm going to show you how to take a piece of video that you record like a Zoom call, turn it into an audio transcripted file, put captions on it, and take that file, make it into a text file that you can then share with somebody. For example, you're doing a consultation. You want to provide the person with a transcript of what you guys talked about. There's transcription services, but Adobe Premiere has a really pretty decent built-in functionality for doing transcripts that I'm going to show you today. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so I have my friend Cameron here. We went through and did this about a 50-minute long consultation session on how to do negotiation using Chris Voss's Never Split the Difference. I selected the video and told it to make a transcript. It uploaded the audio file to Adobe's servers. They created this text file, sent it back, and here's the transcription. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I have this selected. I'm going to say create captions. Boink. It's going through making captions for the entire 50-minute video, and it's sticking them on the video right now. And we're going to be able to super easily edit this. It's really, it blows my mind how easy this is to do, once you get the workflow going. Open up the text panel. Okay, here's our transcript. It's been applied, right? We have to select the captions that have been applied. I'm going to change this font text to Myriad Pro. And we're going to bump this up. You can see it's already starting to become more readable. Going to bump this up to 75. And boom, there it is. So wherever I jump to in the video, it's got a transcript. If I wanted to come into here and do a search, like I'm trying to find that, I want to clip that part where I was talking about Chris Voss. So I type in Chris, and it jumps me to the proper place in the video. Like normally you would create video and then you're going to have to log it so that you get all the important clips, right? This just went through. It made a searchable way for me to find the places that I can start my clips. I can go down through here and I can read this and get a pretty good sense of when I want to get my out. And you'll notice that it just jumps straight to the place that you click. Pretty sweet. Say we wanted to set an in point here and an out point here. And then I want to take that and I want to export it as a social clip. Donk. There it is. It's rendering out. We could take this file and export it as a text file. It's a great tool to speed up your editing process if you're into making podcasts, or you're a consultant and you want to share, a cleaned up video with your customer or your consulting client. Makes it really easy. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and the like button. Greatly appreciate it. I put a chunk of time into this. Have a great day.